Hello, gearheads. Let's dive into the world of roaring engines and sleek designs. The journey to uncover automotive legends starts here. The Swedish manufacturer Scania's presence in the US market has been impacted by a ban that was imposed. The ban was a result of a lawsuit filed by Navistar International Corporation against Scania's parent company, Volkswagen AG. Scania's engines were at the center of the controversy, with allegations that they did not meet the environmental protection agency's emission standards. A stop sale order was issued by the EPA, effectively banning Scania trucks from the US market. The ban has had a significant impact on Scania's US operations. Market share has been lost, and the company has faced significant financial costs. The development of new engines that comply with US emissions regulations has been necessary. Certification for these new engines has been obtained from the EPA. The ban has also damaged Scania's reputation in the US market. Regaining market share has been a challenge. Competitors have been able to gain a stronger foothold in the market. Scania's re-entry into the US market has been delayed. The company has had to absorb the costs of developing new engines and certifying them. The financial impact of the ban has been significant. In recent years, Scania has taken steps to comply with US emissions regulations. New engines have been developed, and certification has been obtained. The company has re-entered the US market, but its market share remains relatively small. The ban has had a lasting impact on Scania's US operations. The company has faced significant challenges in regaining market share. The financial costs of the ban have been substantial. Despite these challenges, Scania remains committed to the US market. The company continues to develop new engines and technologies that comply with US emissions regulations. A strong presence in the US market is still a goal for Scania. The story of Scania's US ban serves as a reminder of the importance of complying with emissions regulations. The financial and reputational costs of non-compliance can be significant. Manufacturers must prioritize the development of engines and technologies that meet strict emissions standards. In conclusion, Scania's US ban has had a profound impact on the company's operations. The financial and reputational costs have been significant. Despite these challenges, Scania remains committed to the US market and continues to develop new engines and technologies that comply with emissions regulations. The auto industry is highly competitive, and manufacturers must navigate complex regulatory environments. The story of Scania's US ban serves as a reminder of the importance of compliance and the need for manufacturers to prioritize the development of sustainable technologies. Scania's experience in the US market highlights the challenges that manufacturers face in meeting strict emissions regulations. The company's commitment to compliance and sustainability is a positive step forward. As the auto industry continues to evolve, manufacturers must prioritize the development of engines and technologies that meet the needs of a sustainable future. In the US market, Scania faces significant competition from established manufacturers. The company's ability to regain market share will depend on its ability to develop competitive engines and technologies. The US market is highly competitive, and manufacturers must be able to adapt quickly to changing regulatory environments. The impact of Scania's US ban has been felt across the auto industry. Manufacturers must prioritize compliance with emissions regulations to avoid similar bans. The financial and reputational costs of non-compliance can be significant. The ban resulted in Scania losing its market share in the US, which was already relatively small compared to other manufacturers. The ban had a significant financial impact on Scania, as the company had to absorb the costs of developing new, compliant engines and certifying them for the US market. As the auto industry continues to evolve, manufacturers must prioritize the development of sustainable technologies. Scania's experience in the US market highlights the importance of compliance and the need for manufacturers to prioritize the development of engines and technologies that meet strict emissions regulations.